Hi students, I will be going through your test papers. Okay, and this is question 2. 91.2 minus 8.96. Okay, notice this is the decimal question. Okay, to solve this question, first step, just look at the whole number first. So in this case, we have 91 and 8. So just write 91 minus 8. Okay. After that, you put the decimal point. So put the decimal point. Then it is 91.2. So you just put 2 here, and then you put 96. Notice beside the 2 there's a gap. So what you need to do is you just put a 0. Next step, you will minus. Okay, minus you should know already. So I will just do the subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4. 1 cannot minus 9. So borrow from 1, here becomes 0. Here is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Decimal point, don't forget the decimal point. 0 cannot minus 8, borrow from 9. 8. And here put a 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 82.24. Okay, so now let's take a look at another question. Okay, question 6. Okay, again, this is a decimal question. Okay, but now it is just 0.21 and 0.64. Step 1, put the decimal point, followed by 21. Then you put the decimal point, 64. So next number is 6, and the following number is 4. Then you just add them up. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. Then you just bring down the decimal point. So the answer is 0.85. Now let's take a look. A, B, C or D. Oh, notice 0.85. This is 85, 8.5, 9.5. So remember to put the 0 in front. So the answer is 0.85. Okay, easy? Yes, very easy. So let's take a look at the next question. This question. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8 is a typical WPN question. Okay, there are 50 fruits. 8 of the fruits are rotten. Okay, rotten means spoiled. Cannot be eaten anymore. What percentage of the fruits are rotten? Okay, for this, the keyword here is percentage. Okay, on your test paper, I want you to highlight the word percentage. Okay, whenever you see this percentage, means it wants you to write small to big. Okay, so now which one is a smaller number, 8 or 50? So we are comparing two numbers here, 50 and 8. So which is smaller number? Okay, the smaller number is 8. So we just write 8. Then percentage, it is always over something. So when we write over, we write it as divide. So 8 divided by the bigger number. Okay, so notice small to big. Okay, so the answer is 8 divided by 50, and you can just put a percent in here. So the answer is B. Okay, the keyword here is percentage. Then after you have identified this, remember it is always small to big. Okay, now let's take a look at next question. Okay, number 9. Okay, I made a mistake here. Okay, Amy is mailing an envelope. Okay, the word more is not needed here. So can you please cancel? Okay, so now let's read this question. Amy is mailing an envelope. How much does she need to pay for 3 overnight meals? Okay, notice we have 2-day and overnight. So 2-day cost $3.85. Overnight cost $13.65. So the question wants us to mail 3 overnight meals. So so overnight. So we are focusing on the overnight. So this part here. Okay. So 1 overnight meal is $13.65. If I want 3, what do you think I should do? Plus, minus, times, or divide? Times. Okay, so we must times. So 13.65 times 3. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 9. Okay, now this decimal point. Okay, don't forget to bring it down. Okay, bring it down. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1, 10, 0, carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1, 4. So the answer is $40.95. Okay? So later you will practice this question again. Okay, now let's take a look at the next question. This question, okay. Sulong asked me how to do this question yesterday. Okay, number 13 is actually very simple. Okay, let's read the question first. How much does Tom save if he buys the shoes and socks? Okay, the keyword here is save. Okay, save. Okay, so for save, okay, now let's take a look at this table. Shoes, the regular price is $24. Sale price is $19.50. Socks, regular price $1.50. Sale price $0.75. Okay, on the right hand side, I want you to write the word save here. Okay, so to calculate save, you must take regular price minus the sale price. Okay, so in this case, you have to take $24 minus $19.50 and $1.50 minus 75 cents. So whenever you see this table, straight away just put the minus sign here. Okay, so now let's minus 24.00 minus $19.50. 043 here. Oops. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. 3 can minus 9, no, so borrow from 2 becomes 1, then 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, okay? So 1 minus 1 is 0. So the saving for shoes is $4.50. Okay, next. How about the savings for socks? So again, we take a regular 150 minus 75 cents. 4, so 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 cannot, so borrow from 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here, 75 cents. Okay, so now, once you have calculated the savings, you must add them up. So you must plus these two values together. Okay, don't forget to plus. Okay, so now you plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is $5.25. Okay, remember this question, step 1, highlight the keyword. So the keyword here is save. So to solve for save, you must first minus, then you plus. Okay, a tip that I can give you is straight away put the minus sign here, minus, minus. Then see, notice this T, it wants you to do a plus. Okay, okay, now let's take a look at another question. Okay, Mary's timesheet. Okay, this is Mary's timesheet. Okay, from Monday she works from 9 to 1. 4 hours. Okay, so 9 to 1 is 4 hours. Tuesday, 9 to 1, 4 hours. Wednesday, 9 to 12, 3 hours. Thursday, 9 to 1, 4 hours. Friday, 9 to don't know what time, and then what is the hours. So we need to calculate the duration of Friday. However, the question has already given us the total hours work. So I know during this week she worked for 20 hours, but on Friday I do not know how many hours she worked for. So what I will need to do is, okay, I will need to calculate the hours from Monday to Thursday. So I will add this up, okay, plus. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is, 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay, so I will just write it here. 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so plus 4 plus 4, 8. 11 plus 4 is 15 hours. So from Monday to Thursday, Mary worked for 15 hours. So I know the total number of hours is 20. So to find the remaining, I will need to minus. So I have to take 20 minus 15 hours. This will give me 5 hours. So on Friday, I know she worked for 5 hours. So here is actually 5 hours. Okay, so now I will need to calculate the time. So she starts work at 9 AM. So she worked for 5 hours. So we will have to, okay, remember this T that we did last term? Hours, minutes. So 9 AM she start, and the duration is 5. So let's add them up. 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, so 14. So she should end work at 14. Oops, however, there is no 1400 hours. So what we need to do is, remember, we need to, if it's more than 12, we must minus. So here minus 12, 0, 0, 2. So 2, see, notice is AM, so it cannot be AM again. So it is 2 PM. Okay, 1400 hours is also equals to 2 PM. Okay, so let's take a look at this question again. Okay, see, first step, we have to calculate the number of hours from Monday to Thursday. So we have 15 hours. After which, we have to find the remaining hours for Friday. So we take 20 hours minus 15. So this will give me 5 hours. Okay, after you have calculated the duration on Friday, you have to calculate the end time. Okay, let's take a look at another question. This is another WPN question. Okay, I want you to remember this question by heart. Okay, we'll practice this question again later. Okay, the company is holding a raffle. There are 100,000